Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to deactivate a Facebook account. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your to the three lines icon on the top right and scroll down and go to settings and privacy drop down. Head over to settings and here go to media account center. Go to personal details. And here go to account ownership and control. And here head over to deactivation or deletion. Now choose the profile you want to deactivate. So here choose deactivate and tap on continue. And here you have to give your Facebook password and your account will be deactivated. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video helps and we'll see you in the next one.